Today is a very special occasion. Right now, I'm standing at Chapaguri, where today a very big and new institution is going to be added in the addition of Chirang Education. Today, the Don Bosco College is going to open, which will be opened by our Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Sarbananda Sonwal. So right now, I would like my cameraman to request you to follow the camera and show that the institute is quite big. This is there is a quite. I can show you. This is the Don Bosco College, Chapaguri. It's written Bongaigaon, but there is some corrections to be made. So, according to the information we have been provided, there are total 28 acres of land here, and quite a big surface. Is a lot of. So right now, even you can see that a lot of guests are coming. So it's 28 acres of land here, and all the three departments, arts, science, college has been added in this edition. So I've gathered some students of the Don Bosco College here, and we will be talking to them regarding the college and how they feel, because it's a very big moment for them, and this is one of the biggest institution coming up in Chirang. So how do you feel about today?
It is a very big day for all of us, and today it is a great pleasure to have our Honorable Chief Minister in our college, and we are very happy to have him. And you can see the decoration and all. We are doing it from yesterday. And
we like to welcome them because our college is college infrastructure is very good, and our facility also very good.
Do you like your teachers? How are they?
They are very good. They are friendly, and they are talking very friendly with us. Whenever we have some problem in our studies, they talk like a friends with us, and we can discuss with them in any topic.
I have gathered some faculty members of Don Bosco College, so I would like to take their opinion regarding this, because they are one of the pillars of the college, because without their guidance, the student cannot excel. So, we have, ma'am, may I know your name?
Kavita. Yes.
Ma'am, so I would like to ask you, so this is one of the biggest moments for Chirang. One of the biggest institutions has come in Chirang, and you can around 28 acres, and it's a huge complex. So we have it has all the three departments. So for the students will be coming here, the new generation will be coming here, the parents will be sending. So you will be morely nurturing the new generation. So how do you feel for first of all? How do you feel for the day?
Well, I feel very proud being a part of this great institution, and yes, as you have mentioned that this is a very big institution and come up in such a small area. This will very surely open up many great opportunities for the new generation over here. We are looking forward towards that.
So, just I will be just little bit frank with you. So, in regarding your, even I have talked to some of the students. The faculty members are quite friendly. So, how are your teaching methods?
Teaching methods earlier it was very traditional, like taking books and then teaching and all. Now since times have changed, we need to change along with the generation, and we have to give them what they want. Teaching have now not been limited in the books. It has now moved out of books and to internet generation, as we are right now doing communicating and all. So eventually we have also tried to change ourselves and our methods and give them the best we can.
This institution began as Don Bosco Center, which is a building across there. We began 1 year of technical education for school college dropouts. That's what we did. Now, after that, we began a junior college. We ran it from 2015, 16, 17, and 18. And this year, 2019, we have begun degree arts. Next year, we begin degree science. The year after, we begin degree commerce. Then we begin post-graduation courses. Then we begin integrated courses. Then we begin integrated post-graduation courses. That is what we are going to do.
Principal sir, Don Bosco is one of the most right now is the more decorated colleges, because in the near about 200 kilometers we cannot see such a big institution. So why the next generation choose the Don Bosco College?
The next generation, why will they choose Don Bosco College? Don Bosco College has a history of 100 years of excellence in education. We are here from 1922, and now we are in 2019. We are here for almost a century, and we have established credentials in education. We have even the Chief Minister, as you may have just listened to, is a past pupil of Don Bosco. So we have established credentials. We have men in administration, right up to the chief ministers, people in the center, people in defense. Quite a number of them associated with our own past people. So we are very proud of them, and that's because we give them, along with education, values meant for life.
Any development programs for the students after the college? Because most of the students are looking for the career. So any development programs for them?
We give them career guidance, both in higher secondary, and we will also be giving them career development courses in degree. We also provide with soft skills developments, which are required for appearing for interviews, and we bring people from outside, from other universities and from other parts of India to interact with the students, and also allow interaction with industry. Industry liaison we do here.